AI, an all-in-one AI platform designed to simplify video localization by enabling users to dub videos, add subtitles, and create AI voiceovers. We all have spent hours scrolling through a long PDF just to get an answer to one question, right? We all have been there. But what if your document had a chatbot built in? Welcome to day 155 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Today, we are checking Humata AI, an AI tool that allows you to upload documents and get summaries, insights, and answer to questions within few seconds. Let's see how it works. So to begin, head over to Humata AI, click on sign up, and as always, I will sign up with Google and use the account that I prefer. Click on continue and we are all set. You have to upload the document here. I'll be uploading this particular document, which is a slide that we had created for no code automation. So as you can see, we have what we will cover: what is automation, why automation, no coding automation, popular automation tools, introduction to Make, features of Make, and so on and so forth. We also have a few slides. Let's see, I upload this and ask a couple of questions. So I'm going to drag this and drop it over here, and it will take about a couple of seconds to analyze this particular document. And once it is ready, we get a text called ask over here. As you can see, it requires about 27 seconds more. No, it's already done. So let me click on ask. As soon as I click on ask, it will basically show the entire document and also summarize. Okay, so you can see that this session on no code automation led by Ritesh explores how individuals can automate repetitive tasks without any programming knowledge. It covers the fundamentals of automation, its advantage, and introduces popular tools like make.com, right? So it has already given us the summary. Now we can ask a couple of questions. What were the disclaimers as per the doc? So disclaimers are here. Let's see if we can get it right. There you go. Set your phones on silent for undivided attention. Eliminate all distractions for full focus. Grab your essentials, a pen, paper, and water bottle, and so on and so forth. And you can also see, based on the question that we asked, it will highlight what are the text that has fetched for us. Isn't this great? Not just with document, you can also use a YouTube video to get an answer, right? So you have YouTube option here. You can upload the URL here. Let's go to our YouTube channel. By the way, we have reached 2K subscribers on YouTube, all thanks to all of you who have been constantly supporting us throughout this journey. Getting back to the topic, let me use this one. So I'll take this video link. Do not want to play it here. I'll go back, enter the URL, right? So it says this AI replaces multiple video editing tools. Feat Dubverse AI. Yeah, so that's right. So let me click on this enter. Again, it will take about a few seconds to analyze this video. We can keep a watch over here. Anytime it should be ready, and it's ready. So click on ask. It will quickly summarize what the video is all about, and there you go. The transcript introduces AI, an all-in-one AI platform designed to simplify video localization by enabling users to dub videos, add subtitles, and create AI voiceovers in over 60 languages. Maybe I didn't pronounce it correctly. Okay, it was Dubverse AI, not Dubverse. So the demonstration highlights how users can upload videos, choose languages and voices, including cloning speakers, and generate dubbed videos with customizable subtitles and styles, all within a single dashboard. So there you go. You can again ask questions and it will give you answers for that. Not just that, you also have a ask all here, right? And if you do that, then it will analyze all the content that you added, not just the PDF file, but also the video that we added. Okay, and you can see the first document introduces no code automation, highlighting how individuals without programming skills can automate repetitive tasks across various business functions using tools like Make.com. Okay, and then the second document showcases the words.ai. Now it has captured what it is: an AI powered video editing tool that integrates dubbing, subtitles, and voiceovers in over 60 languages. You can ask any questions from both of these documents or document and a video, and it'll answer based on this content. One very important feature from Humata AI is you can share this, right? So restricted is only I can open the link, but if you have anyone with the link, then it has three options available, which is grounded, balanced, and creative. Grounded can be used if you want the content as is from your document, right? It will not add anything extra. If you go to balance, then it takes the content basically from the document or the video, but it enhances it a bit, right? Creative is like it expresses more, which means the answers could slightly be wrong sometimes. Okay, we have gone with balanced, which is the default option. You can also add some instructions to it. I'll not add it now. You can copy the link and share the link, or you can also copy the embed code. Let's say I copy it and then I will go to incognito mode. What you can see is it actually do the analysis of the document and the video for the users to start asking any questions that they have. So you created this particular chatbot with the content that you have, and anybody else can actually ask questions to this chatbot. Most of us do not read the full document anymore, whether it's a research paper, contract, or a report. We just want quick answers. Having a tool like Humata makes it super easy. Upload a file, ask your question, and you are done. So do give it a try and see the difference. That's all from me for today, and I will see you in the next one.